Number 1 भारतनि हारिमायारि कंग्रेसखौ दानाय समाव भारतनि गभर्नर जेनेरेलआ सोरमोन? एन्सार लर्ड डाफरेन। Number 2 भारतनि जांख्रिथायनि बिमा महरै सोरखौ मिथिनाय जायो? एन्सार सि मेडाम सामा। Number 3 गाहायनि बबे गोरोबथाया बेंगलनि गभर्नर जेनेरेलखौ भारतनि गभर्नर जेनेरेल खालामामोन? एन्सार डि चार्टार एक्ट 1833। Number 4 1662 एक मायथाइयाव ब्रिटिशफ्रा भारतनि बबे जायगायाव फेक्टरि फालांगि गायसनजेनामोन? एन्सार बि सुराट। Number 5 गाहायनि माबे मोनसेया इउएनअनि सिङाव गोग्लैया? एन्सार बि एसियान, मानोना एसियाना जाहैबाय अल साउथ इस्ट एसियान नेसनसो। Number 6 माबे मायथाइयाव इस्ट इन्डिया कम्पानिया बम्बेखौ पर्तुगिसनिफ्राय सेनानै लायामोन? एन्सारा बि 1668। Number 7 गाहायनि माबे जायगायाव इन्डियान नेशनेल कंग्रेसआ पुर्ना स्वराजनि फारिखान्थिखौ आजावना लायामोन? एन्सारा बि लाहौर 1929 मायथाइयाव। Number 8 1930 मायथाइयाव जेब्ला महात्मा गान्धीया एरेस्ट खालामजायो गाहायनि बबे दैदेनगिरिया सेल्फ सत्याग्रह सोमावसारनायखौ दैदेनदोंमोन? एन्सारा सि आबियास टाइपजी। He is also known as the Great Old Man of the Gujarat. Number 9 बारदौली सत्याग्रहनि दैदेनगिरिया सोरमोन? Answer Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. He was called the title Sardar from the Bardoli women Tsar gave him as a title of Patel Sardar. Go back to Vedas. बे रावखौ सोर बुंग्रामोन? It's said by Dayanand Saraswati. Dayanand Saraswati was the founder of Arya Samaj, a Hindu reformer movement of the Vedic tradition. सत्याग्रहनि समाव महात्मा गान्धीया मा मायथाइयाव गिबि एरेस्ट खालामजादोंमोन? एन्सार 1908 मायथाइयाव। Gandhiji for the first time organized Satyagraha in June 1907 against the compulsory registration of Asiatics, the Black Act, but Gandhi on 10 January 1908 he was arrested. Number 12 Permanent Khazna गायसनथाया बेंगलाव सोरजों फोसावजादोंमोन? Answer Cornwallis A. In 1973, according to this settlement, landlords agreed to have perpetual and hereditary rights over the land as long as they pay fixed revenue to the British government. Number 13 भारतनि एक्सट्रिमिस्ट सोमावसारनायनि बिफा सोरखौ बुंनाय जायो? Answer C Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Bal Gangadhar Tilak, he was the first leader of the Indian independence movement. The British colonial authorities regularly called him father of the Indian armed race. Number 14 Mahatma Gandhi's civil disobedience movement थुलुंगानायखौ सोरनिफ्राय मोनामोन? Answer D. Turu. Gandhiji got his inspiration of civil disobedience movement after reading the Turu's essay on duty of civil disobedience movement. Number 15 Indianनि जानानै second round table conferenceआव सोर थाङामोन? Answer Sarojini Naidu. The second round table conference started on September 7, 1931. Mahatma Gandhi represented Indian National Congress and also Surshin Naidu represented Indian women. The Royal Indian Navy ratings go 23 February 1946 of Sir Sandar Zahaman. Answer D. Vallabhbhai Patel and Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Rating means a section of non-commissioned officers and sailors of Royal Indian Navy called rating started mutiny against the British on February 18, 1946, which further resulted in the spread of hotels in Kolkata as well as Bombay also. So thanks for watching.